Hello everyone, I'm Prasad from IT Madras. I'm currently in my fifth year pursuing electrical engineering with specialization in VLSI and microelectronics. I joined Professor KK Smart Academy in my 11th standard, and before that I had no idea about JEE or any other competitive exam, and I should say that it was due to him that I came to know about these things and I got interested. So I joined him in 11th, and those 2 years were really one of the best part of my life. I got to meet a lot of people in my class, and I used to discuss a lot of intellectual stuff with them, and even the classes were really interesting. And usually when you think about these JEE classes, the image that comes to your mind is that of a monotonous class with a professor speaking in a low voice, but that was not the case here. What we had was a really interesting environment, and the rapport that we had with Professor Kekan was really amazing. He wasn't like a professor, and he would also almost chat as if he were my friend. The unique quality about this class is that you get to know each subject in depth. So he makes sure that you get to know each concept in detail. So I vividly remember that in one of his classes, he actually derived a special condition for one of the cases that we had derived, and no one had derived that before. And it was truly amazing because no one gets to meet a professor who derives something on his own due to his interest, and that too in a lot of detail. So it really interested me because all along I have seen people just studying for the exam just to make sure that they clear it and move on, but that was not the case here. So here we made sure that we knew what we learned, and that was interesting. And with respect to the standards of his tests, I should say that it really stands apart because when I was studying for my JEE, the pattern had been changed and it was objective. So all of my other friends were practicing for this objective test, and they had almost accustomed themselves to the objective pattern by ticking A, B, C, D options. But here we made sure that we were tested in all formats, subjective, objective, be it anything. The objective here was that you learn the subject, not the pattern, and this really helped me improve my intellectual skills. The tests that I wrote were really interesting and were on par with the Olympiad exams, which are really competitive. So it not only helped me prepare for my JEE and AAAA and other competitive exams, but also helped me excel in Olympiads. And this, I believe, is truly a remarkable feature. When I came to know about this EPAD concept, I was really amazed upon hearing this. So during my 2 years, I had the opportunity to listen to wonderful lectures, and it was really fortunate. When I heard about this EPAD concept, I was really amazed upon hearing this. So during the 2 years when I was here, these lectures really shaped me up and helped me gain a lot of intellectual skills. But when I think about a student getting access to these lectures and the ability to see these lectures whenever he wants, really amazes me. This EPAD is going to have a tremendous impact in increasing the efficiency of students' learning. All along, I remember that one of my friends had to travel almost 1.5 to 2 hours to attend his lectures. But now, the same lecture can be seen by a student who is far away from here, and he can benefit from it. And that concept is really amazing. The EPAD lectures that are there are of great quality. The lectures in EPAD are of remarkable quality, and the explanation that Sir gives in these lectures are not only the lectures in the EPAD are truly remarkable. Even though the concepts in physics, chemistry, and maths are all the same, the way you present and explain is really important, and that's where Professor KK Anand sets his mark. The insights and the intuition that he gives into each and every topic is truly amazing. And not only that, he has also derived some of the theorems and proofs on his own, and whatever he does is not bookish, and It truly amazes me how a person can teach all these three subjects with such great depth, and the problem sets that he gives are really good, and they range from simple problems like the quadratic equations which we solve at school to the really tough problems which you encounter in Olympiad, and the huge range of problems that you come across will really improve your intellectual skills and help you prepare for the exams.